Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be explaining exactly the 5 things that you need to know in order to be the best possible trader in the shortest amount of time. And these are the certain things that actually have helped me out in my own trading. Stay to the end of the video, there's a special surprise at the end of the video. Alright guys, so the first thing that I really want you guys to understand is basic knowledge and terminology. Meaning you have to understand what words mean in order to study. So make sure that you guys go to babypips.com and you guys will get all the basics, every single thing that you need to know in order to start learning how to trade. Use babypips.com. It's completely free and you guys will be able to actually read through everything and be able to get a basic understanding on how the market moves. I used Baby Pips when I first started. I honestly wouldn't be here today. So shout out to you, Baby Pips, and I think you guys should use Baby Pips as well. Now the second thing that I think that you guys should definitely be studying is technical analysis. I honestly feel that fundamentals, yes, they move the market, but technical analysis is going to be the most consistent way you're going to be able to trade. Why? Because yes, sometimes fundamental news comes out bearish and then the price still goes up. Technical analysis will help you catch the winning trades in the correct setups on the correct time. If you guys find a way to mix in your market structure, your support and resistance, your SMAs, really all these different things that you can use in order to analyze the market technically, that's where I think that I have my edge in the market, and I think you should find your edge in the market by doing your technical analysis the correct way. A lot of traders, what they like to do is they like to look at the news and they like to gamble on the news. I don't know how many times you guys have probably seen the news trade go extremely crazy and then so many people blow their accounts, so many people flip their account, right? But it's just not sustainable over the long period of time. I think that if you guys are trading the news, you're almost gambling, right? It's pretty much a 50-50 shot. Yes, you can do fundamental analysis and look back and see exactly why the market will either go up with news or down with news, but I just don't think it's sustainable at all. I think that you guys should focus on technical analysis to actually make good predictions on the market. Like I do. I strictly use technical analysis. If I do see a news trade that's going to come out, all I do is just stay away from the market, let that news hit, and then I'll wait for the price to settle again and then use my technical analysis to actually take great trades and more sustainable trades for the long period of time. I don't want to flip my account 100% in one day. So that goes into the third thing that I'm going to talk about, and that is risk. What can you guys do without risk management? You guys won't be profitable without risk management. I see so many traders on Instagram and Twitter trying to flip their accounts 100% every day, and it's just not sustainable in the long term. I personally go for more conservative growths, you know, anywhere from 8 to 12% a month. The reason for that is because I have a big enough size account where I don't need to make 100% on my account every single day. I can slowly grow it and compound that interest, so I can then actually see the benefits in a year, 2 years, 3 years from now. It's better that way. It's more sustainable that way. If you're constantly risking 100% of your account, it might go good once, it might go good twice, it might go good 3 times, but at the end of the day, it will eventually go bad and you might lose everything that you have gained in those 3 times that it went good. So understand that if you guys do want to have proper risk management, it's going to take time and you need to focus on what you can do in order to minimize that risk so that you can then stop stressing so much during the trade. I see so many traders that once they enter a position, they get super emotional. They trip out. Why? Because they're usually over leveraged. You don't want to be over leveraged in the markets because it'll allow you to make emotional decisions to the market instead of a technical decision to the market. Whatever you guys do, make sure your risk is in check, and that way you don't have to stress so much on your trading. So the fourth thing I really want to talk about is paper trading, and this is honestly something I wish I did a lot of in the beginning of my career. If I were to trade demo a little bit longer, I think I would have lost less money in the market. Now, I'm not saying to just paper trade and treat it like a paper trade and hold your positions and move your stop losses. You know, make it as realistic as possible. You need to be able to trade your demo account as it were a live account, and that's how you're gonna actually learn from paper trading. So many traders, what they do is they grab a demo account and they hold their positions past stop loss. They hold their positions for a 1 to 86 R to R and don't keep it realistic to what their trading plan is actually gonna be when they're trading a live account. So the main thing that I want you guys to understand, if you are paper trading, is treat it like a real account. Stop gambling on a demo account because you're only going to build bad habits, and those bad habits are going to be hard to get rid of when you're trading on a real account. So make sure, guys, whenever you guys are trading paper trading, make sure you do it with reality in your mind, with understanding the strategy that you're going to trade on a real account. Trade it the same way on a paper trading account. There's no point in you guys having to risk the whole whole account in one trade. There's no point in you guys having to hold past your stop loss. There's no point in any of that. Make sure that you guys are understanding. Paper trading is what's going to build the good habits, and it's what's going to build that confidence you have in your strategy. But only if you use it like you would on a real account. So always keep that in mind, guys. So guys, paper trade, paper trade, paper trade, paper trade. I can't stress that enough. It's what's going to give you that confidence. It's what's going to help you guys understand the market and have the confidence that you guys need in order to trade these markets profitably. These are honestly 4 things that I wish I knew when I first started. But the 5th and final thing, which will be probably the most important thing, is you're gonna actually go onto your live trading account eventually. And this live trading account is going to be probably one of the hardest transitions you are going to have as a trader. Remember, when I went from demo to a live account, I actually blew that account almost instantly. Why? The emotions that come into play when you are trading real capital, real money, you're actually going to lose something if you don't win a trade. But what I want you guys to understand is the one thing that helped me through the emotions of trading on a live account is lowering my risk. There's no need for me to be risking 400, 500, 600, 700, 1,000, 2,000. There's no reason for that. Start off slow. $10 a day. If you can consistently make $10 a day, then you can promote yourself. Trading is the only job that you can promote yourself, right? And what do I mean by promoting yourself? Throwing bigger lots. But if you're not ready to throw bigger lots, what's gonna happen is you're going to lose all of your money. The reason for that is because you are not ready to throw bigger lots, meaning you're going to make more emotional decisions to the market, when honestly, this market doesn't need emotions. It needs technical analysis and it needs execution. Those are the 2 things that you really need. If you have those 2 things and you have your discipline and consistency correct into your trading plan, you will be profitable, and it's just a matter of time. These are 5 things that you can use in order to be a more profitable trader in the shortest amount of time. But you have to be willing to take your notes while watching these videos, watch all my previous videos, go to paybepips.com and get your foundation correct, and then slowly start adding on that foundation. But remember, guys, if you have your foundation correct, it's so much harder to fall down. So make sure, please, guys, stop over risking, get your basic knowledge. Technical analysis is key, in my opinion. Your risk has to be correct. And then once you get those 4 things down, demo trade, and then go onto your live trading account, and you will make some profits in no time. So I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. We do have to do a giveaway. I'll pop up the giveaway winner right here. So make sure you guys DM me on Instagram. But I appreciate you guys. The live streams are back. We are doing live streams at 10 p.m. Central Time every single day, guys. So if you guys do want to join us for that, we're gonna take over again. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.